World of Artificial Intelligence. An institute has created the world's first AI child, who behaves like humans. He has the answer to every question. This 3-year-old child has the ability to behave emotionally like human children. He has the ability to get angry and also smile lovingly. He also cries. You can also give a sad look on his face. For the first time, a company has conducted such an experiment, which is creating a stir in the world. According to the Metro report, this feat has been done by China's Beijing Institute for General Artificial Intelligence. They have named the child Tong Tong, which means little girl in English. Recently, when it was launched, the world was surprised to see that it has the innocence of small children and also has the solution to every problem like experienced and expert people. They are capable of learning from people. That is, if you tell it something, it does the same thing in the future. She is happy and also sad. Researchers claim that like human children, it also has the ability to learn by observing adults. It feels emotional connection, it can be happy, sad or even angry, it has human-like skills, it cleans, fixes picture frames and is even seen cleaning up spilled milk. This has not been seen in any AI-generated human till date. You can also interact with human brains near Tong Tong. According to reports, Tong Tong has the brain of a human being. Whatever people teach her, she immediately captures it and tries to understand it. Further, whenever needed, she gives the same answer. She knows how to differentiate between right and wrong. AI expresses its viewpoint in various situations and has the power to shape the future. AI expert and director of BIGAI, Zhu Songchun, said, "AI is capable of changing our world. We need to build institutions that understand the real world and have a broad range of skills."